Alright, so hello everyone. Today we are going to be cleaning our throttle body, which is this one, this bubble right here. This is a 2007 Ford F-150, the 4.2 liter, as you can see there. So yeah, we're gonna clean it and see how bad it is. I think I never cleaned it myself on this vehicle, so we'll see how it is. So we need to clean this throttle body because sometimes, you know, the acceleration can be bad. You know, it can have a rough start, and many other things. So we should clean it, and you know, every now and then, not frequently, but you know, just know that you gotta clean it someday. Alright, so the first step is gonna be, we're gonna disconnect our battery. So first step, disconnect that negative cable from the battery. Alright, so now that we have disconnected the negative cable, just put it to the side. Over there, and you can leave this here. And now you can start working on the throttle body. Alright, so now starting on the throttle body, we are going to disconnect this the intake, or I don't know what it's called, but I'm just gonna loosen this up, and once you see it kind of loose, you can take it off like so. And if you see, you can already start seeing the throttle body. So alright, so this, it's gonna be like this, right? You pull this back, and then with the other hand, just like pull it out. So now this is out, and you can start loosening this one, loosen it up. There is loose, and you start taking it off like so. Here you can see that this is already off. You just put it to the side over there, and now we see the throttle body right here. As you can see, it's not that loose, I mean it's not that dirty, but we still gotta clean it. Alright, so now we're gonna take off these 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that it has. But first, take off this little electronic thing. And to do that, you just pull this thing out, the red thing out, and then with two hands, you're gonna like click on the middle and then pull it out. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, so I got this thing out, and this, you pull the red thing, you pull it out, because it's gonna be like this. You pull it out, and then over here it has like a little clip. You're gonna put the clip like this with like a screwdriver or something. Try to like pick it up and then take it out, and that's how you, because you gotta get this thing from there. So I think that's all that you have to take out. I don't see any other cables. So now that's when we start taking these 4 bolts out. They're 10 millimeters, so yeah, you start taking them out. Alright, and I have unscrewed all the 4 bolts, 10 millimeters, and the throttle body is out. As you can see, this thing is in very bad condition, very dirty. See all that black stuff? So now we are gonna clean it. So here we can put it here, and what you want to use is throttle body or air intake cleaner. Use this one because they sell the carburetor cleaner, but they say it's too harsh for the throttle body, so just buy the right one, and that's what we're gonna. Alright, so I'm gonna use a toothbrush, old toothbrush that I had, and what I'm first gonna do is start spraying all over this inside. So I'm gonna do it here on top of my truck because I don't have a cardboard to do it, but if you want you can do it on a piece of cardboard and on the floor, but either way you just start spraying. Spray a lot of cleaner. Everywhere you see something black. Okay, so now we're gonna grab our toothbrush. We're also gonna spray the tip of our toothbrush and start cleaning. Toothbrush, brush, and clean everything out. We're gonna do the same with the inside. So here we see the inside. You see, that's clean, that's not. Alright, so just spray a lot. Now with your toothbrush, you can start scrubbing. I need to use my both hands, but you get the idea. Look how dirty it was. This is all from there. Very dirty. So clean as much as you can. You can grab a rag and start scrubbing too, whatever you can, but just try to get it as clean as possible. Alright, so there we have it. As you can see, I scrubbed a lot. It's not 100% perfect, but from the before I think it's pretty good now. So yeah, just try to clean it as much as you can. Scrub it with a rag, with the toothbrush. Look at the toothbrush. This is all junk, black stuff. I don't know what that is, but yeah. So now what you want to do is look in here and see there's also a little bit of dirt in there. So if you want to, you can grab a rag and or a paper towel or anything and just kind of clean it a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we're gonna have to install it back. Alright, so we already cleaned a little bit here. So now we're gonna put it back, and the same thing how we got it. It was this. Just align it well, and I suggest you put the first put the top ones first and then the bottom ones. Or what you can do is cross pattern, like a cross pattern. Put this one first and this one, then that one, then that one. But yeah, we're gonna put them with the hand first, and then I'm gonna, you know, tighten them, or, you know, screw them good. Okay, so let me do that. Alright, so I got the 4 bolts on with just my hands, and now we are gonna start to tighten them. Yeah, so, you know, the torque, there's no kind of specific torque, but, you know, they shouldn't be on like very, you know, tight. So, you know, just feel it when kind of like resists. Once it resists and you can't go anymore, then you stop. So here, maybe 1/8 of a turn. So right here should be enough. So now I'm doing the cross pattern, so that one is good. Now this one, you see when you tight this one, now this one is kind of loose. So now with my hands, I'm gonna just put it more on. Okay, and now same thing, not very tight, just enough. You know, when you see resistance, you stop. So right here should be good enough. Next one should be this one, and this one got also loose because I already tightened. Now with my hand, screw it on, and again same process. So now I feel the resistance right here, and just turn a little bit more, and that should be enough. Cross pattern, this one is already like, there we go. And just like that, we see that our manifold, our throttle is good to go. Right, so what's next? So now we just put everything back. Your intake, if you want to clean it, you can. If not, just leave it like it was. So this was like this. Just put it on tight. Okay. So this is pretty good now. This one can go right here. This one can go right there. Put it on. Check if it's on all the way. This one's on all the way. This one. So it's on. And start tightening the bolts. To see that nice, really good. I do this right here, don't do that. I'll do this one. Put it on. There, starting the resistance. And I'll check this one. Does it go up? This one. Yeah, so. So this one, we're just gonna put this back, this little ring thing back, and to the front a little bit, and then push it in, and you should click. Now you're trying to get it out, you can't. So that's good to go. Now the next thing is the electronic. So this one is easy, just push them out, and check here a little click, and put everything in, and that's it. The final step should be to put the battery back on. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you figure out how to clean the intake, the throttle body. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you guys liked it. Soon I'm gonna be changing one of my inner and outer rods, both of them, so that should be a fun video. Also, I think I need to change the oil pan gasket, so that should be another video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.